Today I am reviewing Pixio PX278 Wave Blue 27-inch gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Pixio PX278 Wave Blue is a gaming monitor designed to deliver both performance and style, making it an excellent choice for competitive gamers and casual players alike. At 27 inches, it strikes that sweet spot between size and practicality, offering enough screen real estate for immersive gameplay without overwhelming your desk. The standout feature here is the combination of a 1440p resolution with a blistering 180Hz refresh rate. This pairing ensures you're getting visuals that are not only sharp and detailed but also incredibly smooth, giving you a major edge in fast-paced games like shooters, MOBAs, and battle royales where reaction time is everything. Paired with a lightning-fast 1 millisecond GTG response time, this monitor virtually eliminates ghosting and motion blur, allowing you to see every detail clearly, even during chaotic on-screen action. The display itself uses a fast IPS panel, which is a huge advantage for both gamers and content consumers. IPS panels are known for delivering accurate colors and wide viewing angles, and Pixio has stepped it up by offering 135% of the sRGB color gamut. That means your games, movies, and even everyday browsing will look vibrant and true to life. Whether you're exploring lush open-world environments or enjoying HDR content, the colors pop off the screen in a way that makes everything more immersive. Speaking of HDR, the monitor supports high dynamic range, which enhances contrast and brightness levels, further improving the overall image quality for more cinematic visuals. Connectivity is another strong point of the Pixio PX278 Wave Blue. It comes equipped with both DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 inputs, giving you flexibility for different devices. Using DisplayPort, you can take full advantage of the 180Hz refresh rate at 1440p, while the HDMI ports support up to 144Hz, which is still excellent for consoles or secondary devices. This makes the monitor a versatile pick, whether you're gaming on a powerful PC rig or hooking up a PlayStation or Xbox for high refresh rate console play. It also includes two USB 2.0 ports, a handy addition for peripherals and built-in speakers, which are convenient for casual use, though most gamers will likely still prefer dedicated headphones or external speakers for a fuller audio experience. The design of the Pixio PX278 Wave Blue sets it apart from many other monitors in its category. Instead of the standard black chassis, Pixio has opted for a striking wave blue color that really makes it pop in a gaming setup. It's sleek, modern, and stylish, offering gamers the chance to add a bit of personality to their desk without needing custom skins or LED gimmicks. Despite its bold look, it maintains a functional design with a matte screen finish to reduce glare and tilt adjustment for comfort. For those who prefer wall or arm mounting, it also comes with VESA mount compatibility, giving you the option to set up your gaming station just the way you like it. Performance-wise, the combination of AMD FreeSync technology and the ultra-fast refresh rate ensures buttery smooth gameplay with no screen tearing or stuttering. This is particularly beneficial in competitive environments where even the slightest delay or hiccup can affect performance. When paired with a capable GPU, this monitor delivers the kind of responsiveness and visual clarity that lets you stay focused and ahead of the competition. Add to that the flicker-free technology and blue light filter, and you've got a display that's also kind on the eyes, making it easier to endure long gaming or work sessions without discomfort. Overall, the Pixio PX278 Wave Blue is a monitor that manages to check all the right boxes for gamers. You're getting a sharp 1440p resolution, an impressive 180Hz refresh rate, rapid 1 millisecond response time, vibrant color reproduction, and smooth FreeSync performance. On top of that, its stylish blue design and practical features like HDR support, built-in speakers, multiple connectivity options, and a 3-year manufacturer's warranty make it an incredibly well-rounded package. Whether you're a competitive player who needs top-tier responsiveness or someone who simply wants a monitor that makes games and media look stunning, this display is an excellent choice. It's a monitor that doesn't just perform at a high level, it looks great doing it.